For the past couple of years, we've had work from home, which means a sedentary lifestyle. This not only causes work-related disorders such as tight hips, but also leads to a slouching shoulder. And we want to correct that. In this video, we'll be practicing a few yoga postures that will open up your chest, that will relieve you with any discomfort that you're facing around the chest, the shoulders, and the neck. Let's begin. Our first yoga posture is Matsyasana or fish pose. Matsyasana is excellent for opening up the shoulders, relieving tension from the neck, and is a great back bend as well. I would not recommend practicing this asana if you've had any abdominal blood pressure, neck injury, or lower back injury. I would also recommend you to perform this asana under expert supervision. Let's get into the pose now. We're going to begin by keeping the feet on the floor and slowly lying down on the back using your core muscles. From here, you're just going to lift the pelvis slightly off the floor and slide your palms down below your buttocks. Inhale, and very slowly we're going to push the torso up, the chest up towards the ceiling, dropping the neck behind. To prevent your neck from being crunched, your head should be weighed minimally. If you wish, you can keep your knees slightly bent or straighten your legs out completely. Stay in this posture for 15 to 30 seconds, and very slowly we're going to make ourselves back up. You can stay in Matsyasana for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Slowly make yourself way up in a way that feels good to you. Catch your breath and then repeat it once again. Now, our next asana for today is Ustrasana or Camel pose. As you hold this pose, you will stretch and strengthen your back and shoulders. Furthermore, it releases lower back pain as well. This asana should not be practiced by people that are struggling with high or low blood pressure. Also, in case of any recovering back injury, please avoid. We will now move on to the asana. You're going to come on to your knees. Keep your knees right under your hips. From here, we're going to place both the palms on the lower back, and very slowly you're going to begin to lower your chest down towards your heels. Release one palm and place it on your ankle. Take the other palm, place it on the ankle as well, draping your fingers either on the ankle or the soles of the feet. From here, continue to lift your sternum, your chest reaching up towards the ceiling, and your hips forward. You can stay here for about 30 seconds to begin with, and very slowly bring your chin towards your chest, engage your core as you slowly make your way up. Feel free to repeat it once again. Our last asana for today is Urdhva Svanasana or upward facing dog. This pose strengthens the back muscles and stretches the wrists as well. In case of injuries in your neck or wrists, please avoid practicing this posture. To come into Urdhva Svanasana, you're going to find yourself in your kneeling position. From here, walk your palms slightly forward, lower down, scoop your head up to press into your palms and give a slight back bend. Take your head along with you to find that nice curve in your spine extending all the way to your head. Feel free to lift your thighs up if you're comfortable, otherwise you can just leave your thighs on the mat. Hold this posture for about 20 to 30 seconds, drawing deep breaths in before you slowly release. Feel free to take child's pose to just round your back, reversing the effect of the back bend by rounding your spine. You can practice this 2 to 3 more times again. I hope these asanas were helpful to release stress from around the neck, chest and shoulders. Keep following us for more yoga updates, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.